Alright, welcome back guys, this is Chain Today. In this video we begin our journey to discover the Freqtrade platform that will allow you to develop your own crypto trading strategies. Before starting, I remind you that this is not a financial advice, so do your test, do your research, and I'm just the guy on YouTube. At the end of this series of video, you will have your bot working and you can write your code, modify it, and perform backtests to evaluate the performance of your strategy. But today we start from the beginning. What is Freqtrade? Freqtrade is a free and open source trading bot written in Python. It supports all major exchanges and can be controlled via Telegram or Web UI. As you can see, once you have developed your strategy, you can native trade directly on Binance, Bittrex, FTX, Gate.io, Huobi, Kraken and so on. The best way to start with Freqtrade is to use Docker. On Freqtrade.io you can find a quick start with Docker page when you can find all the information needed by install Docker, and as you can see you can downloading and installing on Mac, Windows and Linux. In the next video we will see how to make the installation of Freqtrade, the Freqtrade basics, what is a strategy, open order and so on, and how the bot execution logic works, and we enter into detail of configuration files which contains a series of environment variables used by the bot. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.